quick demo of our release today, as it includes the private app store, along with a lot of other improvements as well. And I'll put the link into the comments. But this is just a quick demo of the app store, the private app store, and how you can build an app, bundle it, or package it up, and how it's useful for companies, who buy a new brand or open a new store in a new country, and need to spin up these integrations quite quickly. So you've all seen the private or the public app store, shall I say, but now there's a tab for the private one. So you click this build a new app button, and this is where you'll get to name your app. So we do March 13th. You would put in, a bit of link to your documentation potentially, and you would put what flows you want to package up, the connectors, the cross-reference tables, the caches, everything that kind of encompasses these flows and what you would need of them. So we'll pick an example here. I've got a Shopify to NetSuite flow, and then it automatically brings in everything from that flow anyway. But you could also add additional connectors that you built, and anything else for that matter. So once you've picked all your flows to package up, you'd click upload. And what that will do is it'll take you back to the App Store, and it queues it up. And as you see, it's already successfully uploaded it. So if we go to the private App Store, you can now see your little app with your NetSuite, your Shopify connectors, and your flow that you uploaded, and anything else. So that's there on the App Store behind your private tab, and only you and your team, your company can see that. And then you can deploy that across all your different companies that you have with Patchworks through the multi-company support, which here you can switch between your companies. So you switch to another company, and then you can install that app, and it'll bring it down with all the necessary flows and everything for your new brand, your new store. So that's just a quick demo on how that works, very straightforward. And just a final one actually as well, we launched notes as well on process flows. So if we go to that process that we were talking about there, we packaged up, all flows now will have this little note indicator, and you can write a note and keep it here, and it can be private as well or public. And it's something that we built from feedback from the partners, and it's the ability as to add these notes to the flows, but it really allows you to add detail about the shapes to help potentially with documentation, handover, visibility, and as I say, it can be public or private depending on if you're working as a team on a flow for a customer. So you can put in your little note, and click different colors, and if it's private, it's only for Patchworks. Save your note, and you can add multiple notes, and it adds it here to the flows, and will come with the deployment as well. So like I said, very useful feature for documentation, detail on the shapes. So that's just a quick little demo there on what's been released. Thanks for watching.